Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. By the title, you guys already know what we're going to be doing today. So this is what my bathroom looks like currently, and we're going to transform it on a budget. Nothing too much, nothing too little, just in between. And I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, all of that good stuff, and let's begin. So guys, here I'm just putting everything together, everything I need to start cleaning, because you have to clean out the bathroom first. I'm putting the detergent, and I'm going to kind of deep clean as much as I can. So I love using this Comfort fabric softener. It smells so good. I use it to clean the whole house. Anyway, I'm cleaning on a normal day, I always add it to my water, and you should try it. It smells so good. So I'm going to start with the windows. I decided to wash the window nets too. It was so messy, the dust and all. So I decided to just give it a good wash and rinse it out, which is really good. I think I'm going to do this very soon for most of the places in my house, because there's so much dust and we're about to enter the dusty season again. Okay, so yeah, then I'm going to go back in to clean out the remaining of the window, the dust there, and get on with other things. So I already washed the bathtub, and I'm just going to rinse it and wash the back and just round it, just to clean off the dust, because there's really not much going on there. Here I'm getting the toilet cleaned, because you have to clean your toilet. Always add whatever that can make your toilet always clean. Then I went ahead to clean the section where you brush your teeth, the cabinet up there. There's tiny dents all over the place that the camera can't obviously get. So I went ahead to make sure I cleaned them out, and yeah.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started.
So now I'm getting the floors. I'm cleaning all of that out, as you can see, obviously. So I'm just going to mop the floor and allow the floors to dry out before we'll now come back to doing the main thing that brought us to this video.
I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you.
So we are back after a few minutes, and I'm just going to put back that window net and open the windows up for more fresh air, because this window kept on disagreeing with me. I don't know what its problem is. Anyways, moving on. If you've watched to this part of this video and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do all to like, subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up, all of that good stuff, okay? And I'll pretty much appreciate it.
Into my heart, now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous.
As the caption said, we are going to give this bedroom a little makeover, and that's under $50, and $50 is about, you can check it. So this 3-in-1 bathroom mat I got for 7,000 plus delivery. I got them for 9,000 naira. If you want the link or the page I got them from, please let me know. I will give you the page, okay? So this is what it looks like, and it's so fluffy. It is so fluffy. Like, I recommend. I was so scared that it wasn't going to be fluffy, but it was really fluffy for a bathroom. After having your shower, if you come out where you're going to drop your legs for that water to drop, yeah, this was really it for me, and I just got it for 7,000 naira. I went to the supermarket the other day to know if I can get something like this, but I could not find the 3-in-1 ones. I just decided, okay, I'll just look for it on the Instagram or whatever, wherever I can find it. So yeah, this is what it looks like all put together. Then I have this candle, this air pure candle that I got this for, let me just round it up for you guys, for 1,400 naira at a supermarket. The usual place I shop, and I love my candles so much. So I'm going to just put that at that bathtub over there. I'm going to just light it just to get the feel of it. It smells really good. So I'm just putting everything together.
It's the joy of the first steps of it.
I also got this diffuser, and I got it for 2,500, and it smells so good. It has this minty smell to it. It's really minty, yeah, and I think it's worth the price. I know diffusers are sometimes very expensive, but I'm glad I was able to find this one that was really going for this amount, because what we're doing here is on a budget, okay? So yeah, immediately I put this on, this smelled everywhere, was just smelling so good. Even the whole room, not just the bedroom, the whole room was just scented, okay? Then I have this fake flower that is laying around the house. I decided to use for this video. I really don't know the price, but I know that flowers like this, fake plants like this, are around 10,000, 8,000, 7,000, depending on where you get it from. So yeah, then I found this my candle wax container, scented candle container that I used to have. So I decided to convert it into a toothbrush holder. Okay, why not do some DIY? We don't have to buy everything all the time. So I'm going to place it up there for its purpose. Okay, then I have this cute plant that I got for 2,990, I think so, and I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to organize my towel, and yeah, that's that. And you guys are going to see the final review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.
No one ever get enough, but we'll try everything together. wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got drive. I know I've got drive.
And yes guys, this is what our bathroom is looking like, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed watching. You already saw what it looked like from the beginning, and this is what I have now. I'm putting everything I got together. I think I spent around 20 something thousand or less. That's exactly below $50. You don't need to break the bank, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye.
I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better.